Hey beauties, I'm back with another video. So today I have some hair from QVR hair. This is their reusable feathered crochet human hair in the color T230, and it's in 18 inches. And oh my god, I love this hair. It looks so pretty. Also, the texture is the small kinky curly hair. So here's what I was looking like before, y'all. I did wash and condition my hair, and I blowed it out, and I used the Sacred products. They work so amazing, y'all. You got to check them out. And here is my braid down. So I'm going to use this method to prevent breakage around my edges. And once I start crocheting the hair on the braid, I'm not going to double knot the hair, because in my last video I double knotted the hair and I had a lot of breakage and I had a hard time taking the hair out. So do not double knot the hair. So right here I have one side of the hair, the curls are defined, and on the other side they are not. So I'm just going to show you how I define the curls. Are the products that I'm using the Curl Mix flaxseed gel, and I'm also using the Curl Mix curl defining mousse. You don't need both of them if you want to try it. I would say get the flaxseed gel. That works wonders. I've been using that forever, and they smell so good. And also they are Black owned, so if you want to check them out, I will link them down below. So I went on ahead and diffused my hair off camera. Now, since I used the flaxseed gel, I'm going to get a more wash and go look. Now, your curls may vary based on your styling products. You may have a more fluffier curl or a more defined, sleek wash and go curl. So I ended up using all 5 packs, and I truly understand why they call this hair feathered crochet, because the hair is so lightweight even though I used all 5 packs of hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.